Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County and east central Georgia, central Richmond County and east central Georgia, southwestern Edgefield County and central South Carolina, central South Carolina, southeastern McCormick County and central South Carolina until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 10:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Gordon, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Beacon, North Augusta, Grovetown, Evans, Martinez, Fort Gordon, Augusta, Clearwater, Belvedere, Edgefield, Kesilla, Glenville, South Augusta, Midtown, Riverwood, Somerville, Augusta Mall, Danielfield, Village Plaza Shopping Center, and Augusta National Golf Club. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in Georgia between mile markers 184 and 201. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 520 in Georgia between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 520 in South Carolina between mile markers 16 and 23.